Hi guys, welcome to Hot Celebrity Leads, a channel where South African celebrity news is served hot and fresh. Zulu King Mrs. Zulu Kwazwelithini has called off his wedding with his fiancée Nomzamo Myeni. The wedding was set to take place next week. He took out order to his office and this is what he said. Dear Dr. Mkhize, I write to formally instruct the immediate withdrawal of the benefits and security details previously assigned to Ms. Nomzamo Myeni. Due to reason beyond the control of the royal house, the traditional wedding ceremony involving Miss Myeni has been called off. As a result, it has become necessary to terminate all associated arrangements. The following actions must be implemented without delay. Withdrawal benefits. Effective immediately, any benefits, allowance, or privileges granted to Ms. Myeni must be ceased. Security details. The security details assigned to Ms. Myeni is to be withdrawn by no later than 11 a.m. on the 19th January 2025. Kushubile Kwa Love lives here. Some people are not happy with the outcomes, claiming that he is degrading their tradition. Others are wondering why did she have all those benefits because she was not married yet. Anyway guys, do comment your thoughts down below. What do you think? What could she have done so big that the wedding had to be cancelled? Do comment your thought down below and please do not forget to subscribe, comment, share and like this video. I love you.